Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can add multiple product catalogs on your website at once using a WordPress plugin. So this plugin is this one, Product Catalog by Eloite Web Design. So it is also called as Ultimate Product Catalog. So I need to just first add this plugin to my WordPress platform. I can go to plugins, add new. I can search the plugin. So this is the first plugin which I will get after searching product catalog. I have already installed it and activated it. As you can see here, it is already available in the left pane, product catalog. These are the options which I have got. So you can click on this product catalog, and herein you can find these options: dashboard, products, catalogs, categories, subcategories, tags, custom field, product page, options, styling. So first you can go to products, and from here you can add new product manually one by one or from spreadsheet. So from spreadsheet it should be a CSV file, and you can if you want to download it from spreadsheet or MS Excel files, click over here. You can download the sample of spreadsheet file, just click over it. The sample will come up like this. Name, slug, description, price, images. You can fill all these things, like type the product name, slug, description, price, image. You can upload it on your website and get its link, or you can also get the image link from any other external site. You can add category, subcategory, and tags. As I have already done it, you can see I already included these four products and included price and everything, all the information. Now I will go here and just choose the file. This is sample file, and just click on add products. So once I do it, all these products will be added here like this. You can see these, all these are added. LG phone, iPhone. I have already done it, so I'm just showing you. Just need to click on add new after selecting the file, choosing the file from here. Make sure the format should be same which you download using the sample spreadsheet. So you can click here individual products as well. You can see image is also showing, image URL is showing, category. You can change the price as well. From here you can change all these options if you want to make any changes. I have put two prices, regular price and sales price. As per your wish, you can put 1, 2, or as per your wish you can just make the changes accordingly. You can update the price as well, like market sometimes fluctuate in price changes, so you can make changes accordingly from here. So once you are done with uploading product catalogs, you need to go to other options. You can see here other options are available: catalog, categories, subcategories, tags, custom field, product options. Here you need to go to catalogs first, and here this is required. You need to add catalogs. This is must. This, like I have added phone, TV. So you can also add like this water purifier. I have one product like water purifier. Like here you need to create a category, add description, anything you can add. CSV, custom CSV if you want. If you don't want, just leave it and click on add new category, catalog. So after clicking over it, you just need to click over this water purifier. After that you need to select your water purifier product. If you have one, then select one. If you have more, then you can select more and just click on add to catalog. Okay, so this product is also added over here. Again I go to catalogs. You can see I have added, like similarly I have added phone, TV, water purifier. I have one more product. This is something like oil. So I will add another catalog. Click on add new catalog. So my new catalog health product is also added. These are important. Product catalog, this is the IDs which you can see, short code number phone 1 2 3 4. This will come handy and I will show you how to use them. And here I need to select this product and click on add catalog. So it is also added here. I will again go back to my catalog page. So herein I have added all the products. Now I have to make them live on my website. So I need to create a page. From here pages, I can create a new page. You can just click here add new and click a new page like this, product catalog. Okay, just edit it as I have already created it. And from here into get a code, I will give you this link in the description part, so don't worry about the coding part. This is the code which you need to copy, okay, and paste it over here in the page. Make sure to click on text, not visual. Okay, so I have just added 2 products already on my site like this. You can see one product is this and setting product is this. I will add 2 more to show you. I need to add here my catalog ID, which is, I'll just show you here in catalog. In catalogs you can go here, like ID1, ID2. You can see 1 is for TV, 2 is for phone, 3 is for water purifier, and ID4 is for healthcare. So I have already added these 2, phone and TV. You can see here in my page, this is phone and this is TV. Now I will add my other products, my water purifier and health product as well. So I need to use 3 and 4 my IDs. So I like this here, and you copy them, just paste them. I change it to 3 and change it to 4. You can customize its view accordingly later on. I'm just showing you how to show them. Like these 2 products are showing as of now. I'll just refresh the page and it will show 4 products. Now from top to bottom you can see this is TV, this is phone, this is my water purifier, this is my health product. So you can see the gap is showing. We can fill it, we can make changes accordingly. We can just make changes from here. These are the other option, categories, custom fields. We can make changes. As of now I have just shown you how to add multiple products at once, and later on we can do other customization accordingly using these all options and make our product look more attractive as per our needs. As of now I have shown you just 4 products, so you can add more products as per your requirement and make them live on your site using a WordPress plugin. So in case you face any problem, just let me know, comment below, and I will try my best to resolve your issue. Thank you for watching this video friends. Bye bye and take care.